Hey Alexa, who's the greatest YouTuber of all time?
This might answer your question. PewDiePie has the most YouTube subscribers at
What?
66,600,000.
Alexa, stop. 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 Alexa be lying, y'all. I'm just kidding, man. Anyways, man, this thing right here, the Dot.BOOM. That's how you gotta say it. You cannot say Dot.BOOM. You gotta say Dot.BOOM and lean back like that. This thing is so awesome. Okay, let me put this over here. Let me just scoot it over a little bit. We'll get to it in just a second. Let me look at some stuff. So we got 6 different colors: blue, red, green, purple, yellow, and light blue. As far as the color scheme going on right here around the driver. Oh my God, 6 hours worth of battery life. We've got 2 drivers that are emitting some bass and mid-range. Then we got this one tweeter right here. Like I've said before, like these other, small Amazon Echo Dot, speakers, like they'll put your Echo Dot in the beast mode, but this is like freaking Hulk smash. This is like Ragnarok Hulk smash type of beast mode right here, dude. This is crazy. Let's get rid of this box. I need some room. Look at this. This is incredible. I've already installed my Amazon Echo Dot in here. Let me just show you. So basically it doesn't lock into place, so be careful. Don't be like, if you put it down, you shouldn't be tipping it over anyways. So the Echo Dot is not locked in place. It just rests in there, and you put your audio cable right there, and then you put your power cable right there. And then this little flap opens up right here, and it just kind of rests in there in its little home. Just like that. Then you put the flap down, it says open right there. Put the flap down and there you go. And you can always take it out if you need to. I kind of like that it's not locked in there, because some of the ones that lock in place, I've had the hardest time getting them back out. This actually gives you easy access for when you want to move your Echo Dot around. It does not come with a charging cable, but it does come with a 3.5mm aux cable for you to just plug it directly into your phone and use it that way if you want to, even without the Echo Dot. But you should be using your Echo Dot power cable to charge this thing up. You get 6 hours with a single charge. Let's take a look around it, starting with the back. So in the back here, you got this bass port. When I saw this, I was like, that's incredible. I gotta try this thing out. So we got this bass port right here, and we have a driver. I dig it. And this is like your control center right here. You've got a power button right here. You just press and hold to turn the power on, press and hold to turn the power back off. Then you got your light button here. And I think, yeah, you just press and hold real quick to change the lights. Then you got your power input right there. Then you got your 3.5mm aux right there. Very simple interface with this thing. Then we turn it around on its side, we got nothing. The other side, you got nothing. And then you got the front. And that's where the party starts. You got this tweeter right here, and then you got this mid-range bass driver right here. And you know what? As far as I can see, when you press one of them, the other one does not move. So they're basically, well, I can feel it in there, but they're basically independent drivers, man. They don't really work one off of the other. On the top, you got your Echo Dot in here. I've already got mine plugged up. As you can see, it actually works because Alexa does not recognize me as the top YouTuber. Whatever, Alexa. But let's go ahead and see how this thing sounds, man.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Whatever, be quiet. I'm working right now, Alexa. So first of all, Alexa, connect to Bluetooth.
Searching. You're already connected to Galaxy Note 8.
Yeah, I'm already.
To connect a different device, go to the Alexa app.
Okay, I got it. Okay, let me crank this all the way up. Now let me turn Alexa up. Oh, she's listening.
Ryan Little.
Good Lord. I'm telling you, this is like Ragnarok Hulk smash type of bass. This is ridiculous, man. This is the coolest Amazon Echo Dot dock I've ever seen. Like, this is the coolest. It is the Dot.BOOM. I am digging this thing. All right, let me see what else we got. Mask Off by Future. Let me just play a little clip of that. You see my face? It makes me smile when I hear good sound, man. It really does. I can't even control it. All right, so we've done a little sound test. Let's do some more Ryan Little, man. Let's get into this. Amusement park.
Ryan Little.
that beat goes so hard. Oh my God, I love that beat. Ryan, you did it on that one. Anyways, we got some colors. Let's run through the colors real quick. So let me see. We got green here. Let me get this around here so y'all can see. We got green. Then we got that. Is that blue? I think that's blue. Then we got red. And it's not, you don't even have to press and hold. You just press it. We got red, purple. That looks like green or light green. And then it just, oh, light blue. And kind of a turquoise color, then off. Yes, you can turn it off. Let me see. Just in case you don't feel like partying too hard, you can just turn it off if you want to. Super cool stuff, man. And it does not look like it'll cycle through all the colors, but let's see. Okay, so I'm going through each individual color right now. I think this thing has to cycle through all the colors. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it's changing color now. I think it's the very last option. It'll just cycle through all the colors. So that's cool. You can either lock it on the one color and have it go straight up with your color scheme, or you can have it cycling through all the colors. Love this thing, man. And the build quality on this thing is top notch, man. It's like this composite material. I don't know what the inside is. It's probably MDF or something like that. But it's this composite material on the outside. Very sturdy build quality. It's got a nice weight to it, so it won't be scooting around your shelf if you put it on a shelf. You put this thing on a shelf, it is going to bang. This is a straight up like shelf speaker. Like you can replace whatever you want to with it. And then with 6 hours of battery life, man, you just take this thing out on the patio with you and jam out or wherever you want to take it. It just makes your Dot super portable, and then you got some real good sound. This is definitely the best one I've tested so far. I'm digging it, man. Cyber Acoustics, home run here. I thoroughly approve of this product. I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews, and I'm digging this Echo Dot.BOOM. But before I get out of here, y'all go ahead and make sure you tap on that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.